There's some reflective questions that can be really helpful to identify this. And the first one I often ask people is, what evidence do you have that supports your belief that you're not as competent as others might think? So, in this situation, what evidence do you have that you can't talk about posture and connect with yourself? And often we find that this has been very much built upon a straw house there as well. We can ask ourselves the question, look, have I received positive feedback or recognition from peers, mentors, or patients in the past, with regards to this specific thing? Have I been able to teach them about posture? Have I been able to help them correct their posture? Have I helped people with posture issues there too? Question number 3, do I hold myself to a higher standard than I do others? And this is something that across the board that most of us will do. Certainly if we're healthy, we hold ourselves to a standard. If I look at people online who are talking about health, many of them do not have the hours and the experience that you have as a chiropractor. Most of them don't have a 5-year degree. Most of them don't have the understanding of anatomy and physiology and health science that you have. And yet we're not ignoring the content. Many of the people that you possibly admire as authors and books that you've read don't have the experience that you have.